Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is KoenigCrew, and we're playing a little bit of Rocket League today. As always, I got my pal CJW Gaming.
Hello.
And he brought his friend Hurricane Katrina with him. And we're playing on, what is this map called? The Deserts map? Something like that. It's called something with a W. Okay, got it up and over them. He hit it. Coming back towards our goal. I'm gonna try to hit it over here. Oh, CJ, what are you doing?
Winning.
Over my head, yep. That's good. Are they gonna keep hitting it back and forth until finally one of us is able to do something? There we go.
What happened?
Teamwork.
There?
Teamwork.
Yes.
I watched that thing go skyrocketing.
It did.
Nice.
Doesn't even look like I hit it, to be honest.
It didn't look like you hit it at all, but we're gonna give it to you. Alright.
Oh, perfect.
I'm gonna hit him. Hit the ball. Hit the ball. I hit it. Oh, CJ.
Off the top.
I saved it.
I see that. Off game.
CJ, get it out of there. CJ! There's nothing I could do.
The ball cam didn't help me that time. It screwed me.
I tried to hit it from the side, but it was already going in. Hit that. Oh, center that.
Oh, where did you come from?
The top of the ceiling.
Where'd you come from? Where did you go?
Oh no.
Center it.
Oh!
Okay.
He missed.
Oh, I missed it.
Oh, that's my bad. I didn't want to hit it. I got turned around.
Go back. Go here.
Hit it. Yes. I don't know why that didn't give me a save, but take it all the way. Take it all the way. Beautiful.
Oh, I could not have just got that in purple.
Nice, dude. Side flip and everything. And you kept it on the ground. All right.
I'll go.
You go. Yep.
Boom.
Nice. Nice.
Pretty. What the heck?
Okay. That's not good.
Well, yeah, that was a good one.
Okay. I'm not quite too sure how I'm feeling about this one. It takes them 1, 2, 3 to score, yet it takes us a long time. But here we go. This is fast as ever, I guess. Gonna keep it over here away from him. Yep. Hit me, buddy.
I got it. Centered.
Ah! Bicycle hit it.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
God! Gee dang it!
Gosh darn it, he fought you for that. Oh,
Yeah, and then he got on the opposite side.
what a move.
Alright, alright, alright. We're gonna come back. This is easy. Easy peasy. He's gonna hit it. Let him. Okay, get ready. And here comes Crew. Uh-oh. I hit that straight up. I got it.
I hope so. Slide him.
It's centered for him. Thank you. It wasn't going in. Yes!
Let it bounce, let it bounce. Let it... Well, dang.
He hit it. It's a hard center in our... Good. Oh! I'm lagging.
You just sent me packing.
I know. I'm sorry for that. Oh, he hit it with his back end of his vehicle. Get in goal, just in case.
Oh,
CJ. I didn't even
That
touch
was-
it. You missed it.
no, that's because he did.
Ah! No! Save it, save it, save it! Oh, you did. Terrific job, dude. Oh!
I missed it. No, I did not. Oh my gosh.
I just got hit by him. They were playing rough, and my game is lagging. This is not the time to lag. He hit it. It's going towards our goal.
It's in.
It's not in. Let's say that.
Go, score, 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 score.
Centering it. Where's the ball? Where is the ball?
Oh no.
This is bad. Come on! Hit that C. Ah, what is going on with Lay? Next one. Ugh. Welcome back, everybody. We had an unfortunate first game, but we're gonna come back into the second one, and I think we're gonna win this one again.
You go.
Yep.
We'll pick up some booze.
Oh, oh, come on. These guys keep hitting me.
Yeah.
Gotcha, sucker fool. Oh, come on. I'm gonna go over the goal with it. Look at that.
He's gonna wizard.
I tried to wizard it. Nice, nice. Hit it. Centered. C. Oh, I still got it. It bounced weird.
Maybe the wind off my car made it stay.
No. No. I'll go.
Should get an assist. That's in.
Goal. Beautiful. Nice.
You just barely beat him.
I just barely missed that. Or, yeah, made that. Alright, do the same thing to him. This guy's gonna hit it pretty hard. He missed it.
Get out.
Centered. I don't know where you're at, if you can get there. Flipped it up. CJ. Oh. Yes.
You pull them off.
Oh, he hit that so effortlessly. Why? Why does my game lag whenever I'm in the goal? Oh my god.
Oh, you just said
Yeah, I know. I know. I saw that part. I'm centering it, or at least trying to. There's no way he was gonna make that in.
Yep, just gonna be centering it.
I'm going back towards goal. Oh, CJ, what do you... You gotta call that stuff out.
Saving our
Like
lives.
that. No, you just bumped me from behind.
Oh, what the heck? Ooh, mine.
Okay.
Missed. Sad day in history.
Wanna go up? And come right into Daddy's lap. How did I miss that? It's alright though.
What a bad game.
You're having a bad game? There, over. Don't you dare hit that back. Alright. It's gonna get hit. Oh. We'll get it, buddy. Yeah, there you go, C. I got it. Now you got it. Alright. Hit it once, and perfect. That went right through him. Why didn't that score? Oh, okay.
He hit it.
I was waiting for it to score, driving away. Waiting for the boom. Oh!
I was like, what?
3-0.
You go. 20 seconds, can't really blow wins.
Centered. Beautiful! Look at that. Look at us. Looks like we're getting a little bit of our mojo back. Alright. I dealt one more. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, if you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more content. CJW Gaming, KoenigCrew, we're signing off. And bye-bye, ladies and gentlemen.
Bye!